G'day guys, it's Mick from Redcliffe Marketing Labs and a quick SEO update with some changes that have happened recently. You might see quite a bit of coverage in the next few days in the SEO world, a big change that Google's just rolled out. What they've done is they've actually encrypted all the searches that you and I do through the normal sort of Google search, what we call organic searches. So previously you used to be able to go into your Google Analytics account if you had that set up on your website and actually see what terms people have been typing into Google to arrive on your website. And that's really useful market research data that you can use. Now what this change means is that that data now is going to turn up as not provided in Google Analytics and will basically be hidden. So that's a really big change because for years people have been using that data to work out what sort of content they should be creating. Helps give you an idea what people in the market are looking for, so you can go and create solutions for that, and also help tying back in and feeding back into your pay-per-click marketing to know what people are interested in doing your keyword research. So the significance of that for you as a small business owner, what you need to do is go in and make sure that your Google Webmaster Tools account is actually set up and connected to your website. So many people actually have Google Analytics installed, but they may not have taken the extra step of having the Google Webmaster Tools tracking links set up and connected to your website, because you'll still be able to go into the Google Webmaster Tools and get some kind of keyword data there that you can use and still tie it back in with your marketing. The other effect is it's going to be that much more important to be using Google AdWords, because in your Google AdWords account you're still going to see the number of searches and the traffic that's coming through on the keywords that you're bidding on, and that's going to help you again get that market information and analysis back in that you've lost from Google Analytics. At the end of the day though, the core strategy and the long-term strategy you want to have is not necessarily get worried about the individual daily changes that Google makes or worry about keywords, is to be out there trying to create fantastic information and content on your website and on your online different platforms that's going to solve problems for your customers, because that's what they're after. If you can be the best problem solver as far as a provider in your market, then you're the one they're going to come to for solutions. So definitely look at Google Webmaster Tools, connect that to your website, you still get some data from there, but the ongoing idea, again, creating good valuable content that's solving problems for your marketplace. Look, if you're feeling lost with this sort of stuff, or you can't keep up the changes, or you just want a little bit of extra help and maybe some long-term plans where you should be going with your time and your effort in your marketing, then it might be time to consider booking in and going through a marketing strategy session where we can set you up with some plans, tell you what things you should be focusing on, where to put your time, your money and your effort into, so you can get the best returns for your business. Thanks for tuning in for this SEO update, and I'll see you in future videos.